Hi, my name is Michaela and I recently graduated from the Behaviour, Cognition and Neuroscience program at the University of Windsor. I'd say I was drawn to the BCN program first because of the smaller program that it was compared to the other ones. I was drawn to just how tight-knit it seemed, and also the opportunity for me to learn both the biology, psychology, and neuroscience background, and to have an opportunity to seek out all those different disciplines in discerning really the career field that I was interested in. I had the opportunity to complete a thesis in my fourth year and be in a couple different research labs, and that was really wonderful research experience. But as well, I also had the opportunity to do a study abroad trip. So I did a 2-week study abroad trip in Paris, France, which was an amazing opportunity to really get some hands-on research experience and make connections with a prof and just grow in my research experience. I think it sparked an interest in me to want to continue doing research, and what has led me to ultimately wanting to pursue a PhD in clinical psychology. So currently I work for 2 psychologists in private practice, and I'm also continuing to expand on my thesis that I did in my 4th year of undergrad. I think that neuroscience provides a really strong framework and foundation for you to be able to be very successful in either becoming a psychologist or a medical doctor or pharmacist, researcher, you name it. Thrive in BCN at UWindsor.